When I watch somebody else that's fighting, I think, are they crazy that kicking out each other, punching each other, But when I came into the ring, it's a different story, People say that I'm an instinct fighter, It's who I am, I'm a fighter and I fight instinctively, and that's a good thing because nobody can predict my style, To this moment, I have 107 fights. 107 fights, only 6 losses. But there is one special fight that I lose, and it's been very difficult for me to handle that. It gets me, weeks and months to get over it. And I learned that you can be prepared, you can be focused, you can be everything. One small mistake, he can knock you out. If you're smart, you will learn a lot of things, and you will train 10 times harder for the next fight. Then you will be able to come back, stronger than before. Next fight is for professional world title in Novi Sad, my city. First time I'm fighting in my city, I never fight in my city. And my opponent is one very good fighter from Croatia.
His opponent is very, very good fighter, very strong. He always up, bam, 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 hooks, bam, bam, bam. Very, very good. Very hard fight.
You must prepare all your body, Every part of the body must prepare, It's a long time, 50 minutes to fight, I train a lot, 2 trainings per day, and I need a lot of energy, And soul helped me, believe me, soul helped me, and thanks to this I don't have any more problems with my immunity, with my energy, with my allergic, I use it all the time, I use it maybe 1 pack a day, but because I like the taste, I use it sometimes 4 or 5,
Nenad, what does this fight mean for you?
It means a lot, It's a big pressure because of the audience in my hometown. I must win.
Doesn't matter how long you're fighting, doesn't matter seriously, you can fight 10, 15 years, but every single fight is another battle. That's the sport, we realize that.
Every fighter in his career, before the fight, feels some kind of fear, Who doesn't say that he's lying? Believe me. Because people ask me, how that you don't look afraid, or something, you're so relaxed, I said, people, that's my mask, inside I'm burning, But that's the kind of positive fear, Negative fear can be harmful because you cannot do nothing, in the ring, your brain stops in the ring, It is not good. I know that he's gonna come with lots of fire, so because of that, I'm gonna wait for him with much more fire, You must believe in everything you want to do, I think people are capable to do anything, only if you trust a lot. And I trust in myself, I trust in my skills, I trust in my trainer, I trust in my team.
Every time go to war together. I train many fighters, but he's my first. With him I work like a coach. And when I fight, this is for me very, very stress.
Fighter's brain use in 10 seconds so much information. I listen to my trainer, second trainer, third trainer. I'm thinking about what he's saying to me. I listen to his trainer, you know. You listen to the crowd, you listen to the judge, you look for your opponent, you think about your own, what you want to do, you know.
Crneni 46, plavi Pagonis 49, jednoglasnom odlukom sudija Nenad Pagonis, novi svetski šampion u disciplini low kick kategorija do 88,6 kg.
Drugo mojoj ženi, treće moj ćerci tek nerođene koje treba se rodi i moji sestri, to su 4 žene koje su mi sve u životu. Hvala vam puno i volim vas sve.
Svaka čast, Nenade.
Hvala Nenade i još nešto posljedno. Tebi samo čestitam, molim vas aplauz.
You, my surprise, 100 story and high. People get illusion on the star, on the roof.